Okay, welcome to the next video, and on this channel we are buying courses, so you don't need to spend $100, $200, $500, and we are making summary of them. In this video I will focus on Grant Cardone's 10 recommendation or 10 most common buying mistakes when you are beginner and you are buying or investing in real estate. So let's do it. It's a summary. So first mistake is that you don't buy. The second mistake is that you buy small. The third mistake is that you buy on budget. The fourth mistake is it's by proforma. Okay. That means that you buy on some expectation or somebody what you were told, you know. So underestimate expenses. Number 6, not funding capital cost. Number 7 is over leverage. Number 8 is under leverage. Number 9 is cap rate, so count it well. And number 10, not knowing. So basically, not knowing, it means that you don't need enough to make the business or invest in real estate. So that was the biggest mistakes that beginners make based on Grant Cardone. It's a summary. Do subscribe or check more, because we bought the courses and we did in-depth review or summary of those courses. So you don't need to spend money on it. If you like him, buy it, but most of the time it's not worth those $200-300, you know, you can Google this for free or you can check this video. You don't need to spend €100 or dollars. See you in the next video.